Popping a squatty at the Tangled Party. Nice.
Jim, meet and greet. Here. Me.
Rapunzel, is that you?
It's Rapunzel.
Let down your locks.
Oh my God, no.
Oh, okay.
It took too long to get it up into this bun.
Haunted Mansion was great. I was teaching Jake about everything in there. And by everything, I just mean one little fact I know.
Yep.
So, everything I know.
Oh my goodness.
But it was good. It was a great ride. Literally walked right on. Waited like 3 minutes for them to clean it and then walked right on. So
came out, still no line.
Still no line. So we are doing wonders. Hopefully the rest of the lines are getting slow like that because we just want to walk on and do a lot. Oh, we can get our first review of the Tangled Tarlets.
It was his first time in the Tangled Tarlet.
First time in the Tangled Parties. How were they?
Very spacious and no one around.
Oh, good. I love that you loved them.
Now you see why they're magical.
Yes. Now you know why they charge a cover charge. So we are going on the Big Thunder line and we're all the way walking up here and they're trying to tell us that it's 50 minutes, 55 to be exact, when the line doesn't even start till all the way over there. And this morning we started way at the bridge, well Mom and Jake did.
Yeah, like over there.
And I think we only waited like, was it 20? Was it even that?
Wasn't it like 80?
80 minutes?
No, sorry. What was it?
I was
thinking of the dwarf.
The dwarves, yeah. I would say this morning I feel like it was really quick.
Maybe it was like 30.
Let's see if the peanut gallery has anything to say or help with us. How long did we wait this morning for this?
Not long.
Oh, do you have like a minute? Anyway, it was very quick, so I think this is gonna be less than 15 minutes to be honest.
Yeah.
Because we really just have to loop around a few and then get on the tracks and we're gonna be there. So thank you Disney for lying about the time so no one else gets in line, so we do. Because we don't mind waiting. Not at all.
Not at all.
Oh, it's so pretty at night. I love the night time. Woo! We have been in here for only 10 minutes and we're almost there. We're just gonna go to the little room and then we're gonna be at the train. So let's ride this at night. We're gonna do Splash Mountain at night. Where is that at? We're looking at Hidden Mickey's.
That's in front of the prickly pear.
Oh, we have to
go see if it's still
there. We're trying to find all the Hidden Mickeys we can without buying the book. Because we can't find the book. But anyway, we're gonna ride this and we're gonna ride all the rides at night and it's gonna be so beautiful and so much fun. We're Hidden Mickey!
Oh wait, that's Mickey.
What's the time?
7:35.
So 20 minutes?
Yeah, we got on at 17,
Oh,
so less than 20.
Less than 20 minutes and we're getting on our carriage for a nice nighttime ride on board the Big Thunder Mountain.
The Hidden Mickey Express.
And we're keeping sharp eyes out for those Hidden Mickeys, aren't we, Mama? Yeah.
You ready for your last ride on Big Thunder? Last
On Big Thunder. Yeah. Woo! Yeah! Woo!
Wow, so fast.
Oh, so beautiful.
Damn, are we gonna turn?
Woo! Woo! All right. Woo! No, to the right.
Okay, but we get to look. What are we looking for? Hidden Mickey.
Hayden Mickey.
Oh, wait. Ooh, come on, baby. Find me one. Hidden Mickey.
Oh.
I see the lock. I see the lock with the light. It's the metal. It
I don't see it.
I don't think that's a Mickey. They said it was the keyhole.
Where?
Oh, it's the whole lock?
Oh, the whole lock. Oh, Hidden Mickey.
That's a bad one.
Good job, Mom. Oh,
Oh, wait, it's that one.
no.
Yes, it has two more bolts here.
It's our last ride of the night. Hey, Karen's driving our ship. Oh, 1 second. Our last ride of the night. Woo! Here, bye-bye. Here we go. Oh, the light's off. Yay! Oh! Good night, Castle. Goodbye. Thanks for an absolutely wonderful day. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Wow. Oh, they're changing! Oh my God! Woo! They do it after close. Oh, that was wonderful. That was beautiful.
All's well that ends well.
Yes. Oh, that was such good timing.
No, and I wanted the other colors.
Oh, you want to wait?
No.
Okay. Oh, that was awesome. Awesome timing for a great end to an amazing day. We did so much today. We had so much fun, but unfortunately the park is closed. Our fun has to come to an end, and we must go back to the hotel. It was Jake, Renee, and Chris's last day. Unfortunately.
Can't wait to snuggle up in that Motel 6.
Oh my gosh, but it was so much fun with them. But Mom, Clint, and I still have 3 more days of fun here at Walt Disney World. But right now I'm going to turn you around so you can see how beautiful Main Street is, honestly, the camera just doesn't do it justice because the tree at the end of Main Street is just beautiful. Jake's head is just amazing.
My voice has gone out.
Yes.
Let me sing them a little tune as we leave.
Okay. Let us.
Today we did Splash Mountain, Thunder Mountain, Space Mountain. Philharmagic was left out, but not in our hearts. Oh, Disney, Disney, we miss you from afar. But today, we gotta say hooray, so we did it.
Oops.
But we gotta say goodbye, because we did it.
Was that it?
That was my tune.
I loved it. That was beautiful.
Thank you.
Let me know if you want to sign him. He will definitely sing your songs on your way out of Magic Kingdom or any of the other 3 Disney World parks.
Trust me, this brain comes up with a lot of lyrics.
Oh, it doesn't stop. The creative juices always are flowing there. Just one last look for you all at this beautiful Christmas tree, beautiful Main Street. Never gets tired of it. Never gets tired of it. Oh, okay, we just got back to the resort and look what they have out. Happy New Year 2021 activities. We will be coming definitely to that one. Dance party and countdown. Right there. And what? One second. We're back in action. Clearing up some room charges real fast. But anyway, we have food and beverage, breakfast, dinner, Boardwalk Bakery till 1, pizza window till 1, Abracadabra bar till 1, Leaping Horse libations till 1. It's gonna be a great New Year's Eve. We'll be in Epcot till 10, and then we'll come here and we'll ring in the New Year. Woo! Woo! Yeah, they have a dance party. Alrighty, y'all. We have figured out our rooms. We're staying in our 1 bedroom tomorrow, or for the rest of the time. So that's good, we don't have to pack up. Woo! I'm about to eat my candy apple I bought last night. I think we're gonna sign off here, but first, Karen, what was your favorite part of today? There was a lot.
There was just too much. Spending time together.
Oh, that was a good one. I love that. Chris, what was your favorite part today?
Ooh, I like the haunted mansion.
Oh, that was good. 2 rides there. Jacob, what was your favorite part?
The hidden Mickeys.
The hidden Mickeys. We love finding hidden Mickeys. Hey, Clint. What was your favorite part today?
Space Mountain.
Oh, that's a good one. Good answer.
Good.
The whole thing was probably his favorite part because it was his first time there. All right, let's see if we can get Brene to answer us. Hey, Brene! What was your favorite part today?
Space Mountain.
Space Mountain 2. 2 for Space Mountain. My favorite part, definitely Splash Mountain because we had our own log. So, Karen still had her mask on. She's being safe. But yeah, that's my favorite part because I love that ride. But anyway, we will see you tomorrow. We are sleeping in just a little bit. We have to sleep until a whole 8 o'clock. So that's good after a long couple days and early morning. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Mwah.